Hey everybody, it's Andrew from HoneyCart, and in this video, I want to show you some new kitchen report prep sheets that we have called the Master Production Reports. So if you're on your main orders page, you can go to the Export menu here, and you're going to see them at the bottom. One is called the Master Production Worksheet, and then the Master Production Worksheet by item. So let's look at the first one, Master Production Worksheet. So if you're used to HoneyCart, a lot of these filters for the reports look the same. The new ones here for this is that, so these reports let you break out every item and even down to the option choice on what prep station like this stuff should go to. So like a lot of my examples use barbecue buffets as a example because it's more versatile. It can show you like there's like a meat station, a appetizer station, a side station, a bread station, stuff like that. And so that's what this is for. You can select which stations you want to print out for this report. Like let's say you want to hand this off to the meat station, you can choose to only show the meat, or if you just want to print out one main sheet for everybody at all stations, just leave it as all. The next thing is going to be this options label, and this is referring to the item options. So if I leave this as option name, it's going to look like this, where, for example, like here I can have, sorry, another one is like I can have, different sides and stuff like that. And that's what the options are, like what they chose here. And it's going to group everybody by, so the master production worksheet for like a certain date, right, is going to show like by customer how much food they ordered. So if they ordered this for 22 people, it's going to show you down to the ounces or pounds or whatever you have set up as, how much brisket to make for order 807, how much pulled chicken to make for 808, how many buns you're going to need, stuff like that. And then the option grouping is just like how this thing is displayed here. So if I were to change it to be, like, you can play around with this and see what you prefer. Like this might look a little cluttered in some cases, but some people may want it. So we left it like that. You can see like, compare how this thing looks for the chopped brisket to how it looked here with the only, when it says only options name. Same thing for group name. It could be like the group name will be sides and then barbecue beans, or meat and then pulled chicken. So if I preview that, you see it here, meat, pulled chicken, sides, blah, blah, blah. So whatever you prefer, there's 3 options to that, right? And then of course you can export it, which will just download it as a PDF that you can print out. The next one is a similar report, except it's more organized by items, not necessarily sectioning them together by the customer name, right? So if I were to just, I already went through this, it's the same concept. So if I just, I'm going to preview this. You see now that for each kitchen station, it's grouped like, this is how much the barbecue meat station needs to know. Like they got to do 222 ounces of the brisket altogether for all the orders on 8/1 on August 1st. Same thing for the chicken. The sauce station, the side station, it's going to show you all of that. And if you were to, change this guy here, the difference is going to be, it's going to say like meat and then chopped brisket as opposed to just chopped brisket. So whatever you guys prefer to use, you can just change that. Also, the reporting mode. So this is the default where it's going to show you, it's going to show you like in between how much of the brisket is going to which order. And if you only want to see the top number for the brisket instead of like how much each order ordered, just hit summary only. And then you hit preview, and then it looks like that. So it's more of a summarized look, more brief, concise kind of thing. And, the default mode is going to break it down with more details on, how much each person ordered. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any questions, please let us know at support@getHoneyCart.com. Thanks.